Hey guys, welcome back to my video. I am Hunter Diamond. I know you can't really see much because I'm in I forgot what these things are called. Bedrock, box with trapdoors and stuff. Because we are playing hide and seek, and I'm on here with Green Kid 1. Say hi. And, and, Creeper.
Hi.
And today we are playing hide and seek. And I got an ender pearl and green sword. Sub to him, subscribe. Do what the sword says. Subscribe. Or I will hit you with this sword. Not really. But anyway. I am just... Green Creeper wants you to accept that. Anyway, I have to be here for 2 minutes. Just sitting here. Wait, why don't you give you guys invisible potions? True. Or you can make me be darkness. Yeah, make me be darkness. When I tell you to. Not yet, not yet. Just wait till the timer goes off. Oh, okay. Anyway, guys. Oh, okay. Okay. Anyway, guys, I'll see you. Should I say when the timer goes off, or? Well, I bet I. Okay. Siggy, stop timer. Anyway, timer's up. Are you guys invisible? Okay. I am ender pearling out. Siggy, set timer for 10 minutes.
10 minutes. Starting now.
That's how long we have for me to find them. Let's find them. Are you guys at any warps? Yet. It's actually so hard because I cannot look at Creeper's screen. Also, check out Creeper's house. Yo, Mantis! Tell her not to say my name. True. Yeah. Tell them if they want to play. Wait. Ah, dang it! Wait, you got him nicknames? Check out my house. I'm gonna make a thing all the way around. So go ahead and check that out. Dang. Yo, check out this. We're building a skyscraper. But I don't know what this block thing is for. I bet 180 Gaming did that. Ah, Creeper. Oh. Wait. How do you know what thing I'm talking about? But Place that again. Go grab those. Go grab those. Guys, I think I know where green is. Where are you? I got some more sunflowers for you. Wait. Yo! Yo, I hit Creeper! Yo! Got one.
Dang it! Dang it!
I just saw a bed floating around. Oh my god. That was skilled. Okay. Where are you at, Green? Chicken.
What's that? What's that? What's that?
Green. Dang. Okay, your ender pearls are right there. Over here. Wait, Creeper. Creeper. I have full hearts.
Stop, actually.
I will win in a 2v1. Plus, I have your sword. Oh yeah, comment down below what I should make in my shop. If I do a shop.
Not saying
I'm aiming for green.
I can help.
Alright, we change this to hide and seek to a duel. Yo, Mantis! Wait, do you have thorns? Wait, what if I right now hit Q? No, I mean hit Q into the cactus. What the?
Stop, please.
I did not hit you. Wait, how did you get a sword? No. Okay. Okay. No. Okay. I'm sorry. Yo, I'm at 3 hearts. No. GG. I mean, it's a good game if you didn't know. Okay. Yeah, Sag, if you're... Yo, it's Creeper's turn. He has his own sword. True. Did you get my stuff?
Hey.
What about my sword?
Take your headphones off.
Give some to George. I mean, not George. He's just a friend. He's just a friend. Yeah, give some to Danger. Give some to... Do half. Gotta submerge underwater. Yeah, Creeper's it now. Do you want his max sword? Alright, Green. Oh yeah, look what Sag made. A creeper farm. I think I showed that in the latest video or something.
Take your headphones off.
Alright. Green wants to know that you're it. Do you want his max sword?
I'm talking about Danger.
Alright, I took my headphones off, FYI.
Okay, are you still recording?
Yeah.
Okay.
I want your max sword. I didn't see you.
Okay.
Yo, wait. I'm invisible?
Yeah.
I just realized.
I'm making everybody have two
No,
hearts
he
right now.
cooked it.
Except
He
for-
cooked it.
Alright,
He cooked it. I don't.
What did he take?
Your sword.
This one? I got my sword.
I forget you have thorns.
I given it.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh.
You gotta do the countdown. Hey! He's at 2 hearts. So, don't. He's gonna die. He's dead.
Yeah, you should not kill your fellow teammate, sir.
Okay.
Alright, he got his stuff. Nope, apparently not. Wait.
He left. You made him leave. Oh, never mind. Oh,
I didn't know where you were.
you punched me. You knew where I was.
Before that.
I think you lagged him out.
Yeah, Michael, I think you lagged him out.
Whoa! Stop! We haven't started.
Wait, who was that?
That was me!
That was me. No, we can kill both of us. Give me my sword.
By the way, Jinx.
Oh, Jinx, yeah. Give me my helmet.
I don't have your helmet.
By the way, you owe me a
Oh, sorry.
Dr. Pepper shake.
And now I have to give the effects back to us. Very annoying. Okay.
You lagged him out, Creeper.
Stop hitting me.
Yo.
Yo!
There's like a floating body. There's like a floating body. There's like a floating
Everybody should
body.
be ready now.
Wait, I don't have 2 hearts. I don't have 2 hearts.
Then take damage.
Okay, I'm on top of this choker. Someone hit me. Okay, now I'm at 2 hearts.
Okay, can I need an ender pearl.
Oh yeah, Creeper needs an ender pearl.
I need 2 ender pearls. I didn't, and I get out.
Wait. Why is there a